another specialized agency of the United Nations that has been frequently appearing in the news is the International Labour Organization. So people who have watched daily current affairs and all, they might be very familiar with the International Labour Organization. It has been appearing in the news again and again. So what is the International Labour Organization all about, and what are the specialities of it? The International Labour Organization, ILO, it was created in 1919 by the Versailles Peace Treaty ending World War I. So remember this special origin of the International Labour Organization, and it is the United Nations specialized agency for the world of work. So it sets international labour standards, then it promotes rights at work and encourages decent employment opportunities, enhancement of social protection and strengthening of dialogue on work related issues, etc. So again, you can probably easily get an idea about these International Labour Organization activities. Now here what we really need to remember with respect to International Labour Organization, see, whatever you forget, don't forget this particular point. International Labour Organization is the only UN agency with a tripartite structure. So remember this point, it is the only UN agency with a tripartite structure. Unlike other United Nations specialized agencies, this ILO has a tripartite governing structure. What we mean by this tripartite governing structure is that it consists of representing governments, employers and workers. It represents governments, employees and workers. So it has tripartite structure. Presently the ILO has around 187 member states, and the ILO headquarters is located in Geneva in Switzerland. Now let us have a look at the prelims model question on ILO. With reference to International Labour Organization, consider the following statements. The ILO was created in 1919 as part of the Treaty of Versailles that ended World War I. That is true. Unlike other UN agencies, ILO has a tripartite governing structure. Again, this is a very important statement. That is again true. So right answer is option C, both 1 and 2.